friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do a biggest AnTuTu benchmark comparison, friends, between all these four phones which has different processor, 720G, 730G, and MediaTek Helio G90T processor, and Kirin 810 processor, friends. And if you want to know how to install the Google Play applications in the Honor 9X Pro device, so which I did a separate video, friends, do check the links in description. So definitely, friends, in this video you can understand how to install the Google Play services and is it worth buying the mobile or not. So there are plenty of videos which I already did on the Honor 9X Pro device, friends. So you can check the links in description for the AnTuTu benchmark test or PUBG battery drain test, even for the Honor 9X Pro playlist, so where you can find plenty of videos on the Honor 9X Pro playlist, friends, so which will be very helpful for you all in terms of deciding to buy the Honor 9X Pro or not at the moment. So finally, friends, the Honor has decided to launch their Kirin 810 processor in India, and now it's the time to decide you to buy which processor and which phone and which will last longer. So if you're having any doubts regarding the smartphones, friends, don't forget to ask me in the Instagram. So there is a link in the description. You can follow my Instagram page, so where you can message me in the Instagram. Even I'll be posting the camera samples for each and every phone, whatever I'm using at the moment. So definitely, friends, it's worth following my Instagram page, so you'll understand more and more things about the smartphones. And let's get started, friends, in this test. So before that, let me show you as a proof that my phone is running Kirin 810 processor. As you can see, friends, Kirin 810 processor, which is a 6GB RAM variant and 64GB, and this is a Chinese model, friends. So that's why I got to use the Kirin 810 processor from long time. So if you're following my channel, you will be knowing more about me that I'm using the Honor 9X with the Kirin 810. So most of the users are waiting for this phone, and finally it's here. And here I got the Realme 6 phone, which is the Helio G90T processor, which has a 8GB RAM variant. And next to that is a Poco X2 device, friends. It is the Poco X2, so which has the Snapdragon 730G processor. And next is a Redmi Note 9 Pro device, as you can see, friends, so which has a Snapdragon 720G. So 720, 730 and MediaTek processor and Kirin 810 processor, friends. And let's get started with the AnTuTu benchmark test. Let me open the AnTuTu benchmark application in all the phones, and let me show you the score one by one, friends. Let me try to zoom in so you can understand clearly. So this is a sequence, friends, so that's why I started to keep the phones in sequence order, so high to low score. So the top winner is a Kirin 810 processor. So trust me, friends, no matter how many times I do the test, so definitely the Kirin 810 score like more than all of these phones in the mid-range phones. So that's a very good thing with the Kirin 810 processor, so which is very close to 3 lakhs, friends. Even sometimes I got 2,98,000 also in this phone. So if you're wondering, like, if you're into the AnTuTu benchmark scores, then definitely Kirin 810 you can pick the phone, no doubt at all. And next place goes to the MediaTek Helio G90T processor, so which is scored around 2,88,000, friends, in terms of the score. 2,88,000, this is the maximum I received. Even the Redmi Note 8 Pro, which has the same kind of processor, is scored around 2,88,000. And third is the Snapdragon 730G. So same thing with the Realme X2 as well. I am having the Realme X2 and similar kind of scores I'm getting in that phone. And the fourth place goes to Snapdragon 720G. So 720G usually score around 2,50,000, 2,60,000 I used to get in this phone. So these are hierarchy, friends, for all the smartphones here. And right now I'll be running the test again, and let's check which phone will be dropping more battery and which phone will be increasing with the more temperature throughout this test. And let me show you, friends, I'll be using with the 50% brightness only, not with the 100% brightness at the moment in all the phones. Let me decrease to 50% to make sure that all the tests are going on evenly. As you can see, friends, 50% brightness, and let me disconnect even the Wi-Fi as well. So everything is 50%, and let me start the test all together, friends. So let me again, I'll be back once the test has been done, so we'll get to know which phone is lost more battery and which phone will increase more temperature. So this is a way to test the AnTuTu benchmark side by side, friends. So for more videos, don't forget to follow my Instagram page, and definitely friends, it's worth subscribing to my channel because I'll be uploading plenty of videos, so many videos on each smartphone, and even you can check top 5 reasons why to buy the Honor 9X Pro device. So definitely friends, you will like the video, and which I described all my favorite things about the Honor 9X phone after using for long time. This is my overall review about the Honor 9X Pro device, friends, so you can understand clearly. And even the Honor, you can check the playlist as well, so which includes plenty of videos which I did on the smartphone phone. Even I did plenty of display comparisons as well, so you can check the display comparison, even comparing the Honor 9X with the Honor 9X Pro with other smartphones. So you can check the display comparison videos also, friends. And don't forget to check the links in the description. So definitely this will help you a lot, and do comment below if you are having any other queries regarding any smartphone. So definitely I'll be trying to reply to you all, friends, in that. And another most important thing is that Honor 9X comes with a full screen display, friends. As you can see, full screen, so no need to even enable full screen option as well. So by default the applications will be running with the full screen, as you can see, whereas in other 3 smartphones that's not the case. You need to actually change the settings to make it run full screen, friends, otherwise you'll get this kind of black bars on the top. So which is another advantage for the Honor 9X Pro device in terms of using this kind of full screen experience, so which is very good in terms of using the phone. No matter what application you are using, you will get a full screen experience. So I'll be doing another videos, friends, on the display comparison, because the Honor 9X has a different kind of technology which is called LTPS IPS LCD panel, so which is quite a higher next level to the IPS LCD panel. So definitely I would like to test plenty of videos on the Honor 9X Pro in the future. And also do check the links in description how you can install the Google Play applications, friends. So right now you can see all the phones are doing pretty good in terms of benchmarks, so there is no problem at all. And the most interesting thing is that let's check which phone will decrease only less battery, and which phone will only increase a few temperatures. Because during this AnTuTu benchmark test, what happens is that few of the phones which they consume plenty of battery and they increase plenty of temperature to doing this test. So right now we'll get to know, friends, which processor is good in terms of maintaining the temperature and balancing the battery as well. So finally you can see here, friends, how is the AnTuTu benchmark score. So as I said, the Kirin 810 processor is top notch, friends, which is very good. And second place which is goes to the Realme 6 device, which is the MediaTek Helio G90T processor. And third is for the Snapdragon 730G, and fourth place for the 720G processor, friends, in terms of benchmarking. So now let's focus on the battery, friends, first. So which phone decreased very less amount of battery. So if you observe in all the 3 phones, the Redmi Note 9 Pro decreased only 2%, friends. So which is quite a huge battery, 5000 mAh. So if you consider that, then this not the winner, but overall there is only decrease of 2% in the Redmi Note 9 Pro. And second place goes to Snapdragon 730G processor Poco X2, followed by same kind of range with the Realme 6 as well. So both got drained only 3%, friends, if you clearly see. And whereas in the Honor 9X device with the Kirin 810 processor decreased by 5% battery drop. As you can see, friends, clearly you can notice the difference overall. And next, let's talk about the temperature. So in terms of the temperature, if you notice, friends, the Redmi Note 9 Pro, so temperature raised only by 2.7 degrees, friends, so which is very good, as you can see. So that's very much advantage in the Redmi Note 9 Pro, friends, in terms of temperature, maintaining the temperature 2.7 degrees only. And second place goes to Honor 9X device in terms of Kirin 810 processor, 4 degrees increased. And next, Poco X2, 4.5 degrees. And fourth place goes to Realme 6 device, 6.4 degrees increased in the phone, friends. So this is the overall AnTuTu benchmark comparison side by side with all of these 4 smartphones, which has a different Snapdragon processors or MediaTek processor or Kirin processors. So in this way we can compare friends side by side, and definitely stay tuned by subscribing to my channel SciTech Guru for more videos on all of this kind of comparison videos. So if you have any queries, you can message me in the Instagram for more doubts, friends. Don't forget to check the Instagram page, so which will be very interesting. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.